Okay, good. All right, so now we have the legs. So we need two about the same size. It's about the same size as the arms. Usually legs would be bigger, but monkeys' legs usually aren't that much bigger than the arms. Okay, so 2 balls. Do the same thing. Flatten this part at the bottom. Now on this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend this. I'm going to bend this down and this out. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Maybe if I put it down, that shape. Take a little water and put it back there. And this right up against the body. Okay, and the other one. Now definitely use the toothpick to get in here, or the back of a paintbrush, whatever you have handy to push that on. Alright, so now I need the lighter shade of brown to do his belly and the rest of his head. So we'll start with the belly. We need a small ball. Put it up here and make it more of a cone and flatten it. Put some water on the back. Place it right in the front. And then just push it down. Okay. Alright, now the front of his face there. This is what we're going to go for, this shape right down here. Okay, so we start with a ball. And then just put my one finger on it and just go back and forth just a couple of times and then kind of flatten it. Okay, and then a little water in the back. Place it right down here. Okay, now for the ears, we need to take a toothpick, and the ears on a monkey are usually more towards the side, whereas you can see the giraffe up here a little bit more at the top. So on the side, take the toothpick, insert it, and just kind of rotate it around. And same over here on this side. And I need a small ball, a little bit bigger than that. About a pea-sized piece. Make it into a cone by putting it up here and just rolling back and forth once or twice. Okay, place it right here in the center. And then what we need to do is just take a ball tool, okay, and then just place it right in the center there. Okay, now this cone, pick it up by the little cone part, and I'll actually pinch a little bit more of that off because we only need a tiny bit there. Place a little bit of water on that. Take it, and using the ball tool, kind of insert it into that little hole. I like to use the ball tool because that keeps the shape of the ears there.